Hi, second graders. This is Mrs. Krause from Abe's school. Welcome back for another week of April Number Corner, and actually, it's the last week of April Number Corner. So let's get started. So all we have to do today for Number Corner is we're going to update our calendar from the weekend and turn over our calendar markers and see what's underneath. So we need to turn over Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So if you would please read these dates with me, that'd be great. 2 days ago was Saturday, April 25th, 2020. Yesterday was Sunday, April 26th, 2020. And today is Monday, April 27th, 2020. Now, if we go back to our calendar, let's flip over those three cards and see what is on our markers. So for Saturday the 25th, and Saturday the 26th, or Sunday the 26th, and Monday the 27th. Well, second graders, it looks like we are back to some garden beds here, and you'll notice that we're also back to circular garden beds. And so let's fill those 3 days in our calendar grid observation chart. So it looks like on the 25th, we are back to whole garden beds. How many parts are items? Well, let's zoom in here and take a closer look. It looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4 parts, and one of those parts is filled with, it looks like it might be some flowers. So how many parts are items? 4 parts, and 1 is filled. Now let's look closer at the 26th, Saturday the 26th. Excuse me, I mean Sunday the 26th. It looks like our garden bed is split into 3 parts. 1, 2, 3 equal parts. And one of those parts is filled, so let's record that. So we have a whole 3 parts, and 1 is filled. And last but not least, let's look at today's garden bed. Our garden bed here is split into 1, 2 equal parts, and 1 is filled. So let's record that. It is a whole garden bed, but that whole garden bed is split up into 2 parts, and 1 is filled. Well, second graders, that's all I have for calendar for you for today. But if you would like to click on the next link in your lesson plans, I would love to teach you how to play the game Reach the Joey. It's a number line game that I played with you last week. I would love to teach it to you how you can play it with your family at home. So if you want, come back with 2 pieces of paper and a writing utensil and click on the next link, and let's play a game together with your family.